Men's ties come in various styles and materials, and they can be categorized based on their design, width, fabric, and knot. Here are some common categories or types of men's ties. Necktie. 1. The standard and most common type of tie. 2. Usually made of silk, polyester, or a silk blend. 3. Available in various colors, patterns, and widths. Bow tie. 1. Tied around the neck in the shape of a bow. 2. Can be pre-tied or self-tied, also known as freestyle. 3. Often associated with formal events and black tie dress codes. Skinny tie. 1. A necktie that is narrower than the standard width. 2. Typically 2 to 2.5 inches wide at the widest point. 3. Popular in modern and trendy fashion. Wide tie. 1. A necktie that is wider than the standard width. 2. Can be 3 inches or more at the widest point. 3. Wider ties were more common in the mid-20th century. Knit tie. 1. Made from knitted fabric rather than woven silk. 2. Has a textured, square-end appearance. 3. Offers a more casual and relaxed look. Wool tie. 1. Made from wool or a wool blend fabric. 2. Suitable for colder seasons due to the warmth of the material. 3. Often has a textured or patterned appearance. Silk tie. 1. The most common material for neckties. 2. Offers a smooth and luxurious finish. 3. Available in a wide range of patterns and colors. Cotton tie. 1. Made from cotton fabric. 2. Provides a more casual and relaxed look. 3. Suitable for warmer weather. Linen tie. 1. Made from linen fabric. 2. Lightweight and breathable, suitable for warm weather. 3. Often has a casual and slightly wrinkled appearance. Printed tie. 1. Features patterns or designs printed onto the fabric. 2. Common patterns include stripes, polka dots, paisley, and geometric designs. Solid tie. 1. A tie that is a single, solid color without any patterns. 2. Versatile and suitable for a wide range of occasions. Striped tie. 1. Features horizontal stripes running along the length of the tie. 2. Stripes can vary in width and color. Paisley tie. 1. Decorated with a distinctive teardrop-shaped pattern called paisley. 2. Adds a touch of elegance and flair to a tie. Novelty tie. 1. Features unconventional or themed designs. 2. Often worn for special occasions or to express personal interests. Understanding the different types of ties allows men to choose the appropriate style for various occasions, outfits, and personal preferences.